Hello again guys, today we will be installing MIUI 11 based on Android 10 in our Realme C1 and Realme 2. Uh, for Realme C1, everything seems to be working fine except that MIUI camera and uh, flashlight from status bar isn't working, but you can install third-party apps to fix that. And media transfer protocol isn't working, like you can't transfer files like exe or Android apk files, but you can transfer files like photos and videos. And for Realme 2, I guess fingerprint isn't working. I haven't tested in Realme 2 yet, but it boots because my friend installed it in his device. uh, so without any delay, let's get started. You'll need these files to install MIUI on Realme C1 and Realme 2 if you are on 8.60 update. If you're on update later than 8.60 like 8.61 or 8.62, you'll need to flash 8.60 image, or you can also flash a vendor image and its boot file. I'll show you how you can flash 8.60 vendor image and boot image later in this video. First of all, copy these files into your adb folder, these three files. And also you can fast forward for a few seconds if you want to see where to copy 8.60 vendor image. If you are on is 8.60 60 update, you can proceed. Connect your phone into your fastboot mode and then enter a command fastboot space flash space vbmeta space vbmeta.img, and then hit enter. And then enter another command fastboot erase system, and then hit enter. Again enter a command fastboot flash system space, and then copy that image name and then paste into the command window, and then enter .img and click enter. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes maybe. You'll need these files in your SD card, and also your vendor image file if you are on 8.60 later version like 8.61 8.62. As you can see, this flashing has been completed. Enter another command fastboot -w, hit enter. Enter a command again fastboot flash recovery space TWRP.img, and hit enter. Now boot your phone to your recovery mode as I am doing this, and also disconnect your USB cable. And this part is for link vendor image if you are on later updates like 8.61 8.62. Extract the vendor file and then copy this into your SD card. SD cards inside a SD card folder named TWRP. Again inside a folder uh, backups. As you can see, I have done that in SD card. Create a folder TWRP. Again create a folder backups and copy that folder there, 908, like that folder. then restore from TWRP. Restoring will take about 1 to 2 minutes. After restoring gets completed, install Boot.IMG. This Boot.IMG file will be in the description, link in the description. Download it and copy it into your SD card before doing all this. After flashing this, you'll need to flash first. Mount your vendor system, everything, every partition, and then install permissive version 5. After installation is done, reboot your phone to system mode. This booting will take about 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna skip that part. After successfully booting in MIUI, set up your phone and try not to enter your SIM card, because if SIM card is entered, then it will take internet connection, and it will ask for uh, MI accounts. So please avoid entering your SIM card. Now uh, change your phone's screen size, as I'm doing. First, enable your developer option by clicking on MIUI version 7 times and go to your developer options. Then click on smallest width. Enter 400 or 399, something like that. After that, we'll need to flash patches for like VoLTE to be working. So let's do that. First of all, power off your phone. This ROM doesn't have a GApps Play Store. You'll manually need to install it. If you want to install it, follow my this part where we will be resizing our system and flashing GApps, and also Magisk. Magisk is required to flash patches. Go to your recovery mode. You'll need to resize the system partition, as I have done it, to install GApps. As you can see, my partition is resized. Now install GApps. I'll provide the link in the description of working GApps. As this one is for Android 10 build, so we will flashing Android 10 GApps. Wait for few minutes. Now we will be installing Magisk. Install Magisk. Then reboot your device to your system. Now open Magisk. Then install a module, Realme C1 fixes. And then reboot. Ignore this message. As you can see, my VoLTE is working. I'll show you. I'm dialing customer care number. As you can see, my call is connected, and also there's a HD icon above signal bar. Now go to your SD card and then install this GMS APK. I'll provide the link in the description. If you are facing like you can't log in your account in Gmail, install this file. After installation, let's see if our GApps is working. I'll skip the signing part. As you can see, Play Store is working fine. You need to install Flash because Flash isn't working from status bar. So install any third-party app from Play Store or anywhere to use Flash. And also MIUI camera isn't working, so we will also need a third-party camera app like Open Camera or Google Camera. Other camera apps are working fine. Install this flashlight because it doesn't have any ads. So see, as you can see, MIUI camera isn't working for now. So we will also install a third-party camera app to show you that camera is working fine. As you can see, my camera is working. Give it all the permissions to the camera app. You can also install Gcam if you want better photos. See, flashlight is also working in camera. And also flashlight is working for third-party apps. Now go to your settings and see your device version. It shows Redmi K20 because it's ported from Redmi K20, and the Android version is 10. And MIUI, it's MIUI 11. If you see any sorts of updates coming on, please don't install it. Now as you can see, our speaker is also working fine. Let's play a music to see. Now let's see if front camera is working or not. Let's see if video camera is also working, as you can see it, and front camera is also working. It's too dark here, so it's kinda very bad image. Sorry. Also, there is a dark mode cause it's Android 10. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, you can join our Telegram group.